Hey guys, Wesley here, back with another video, and today we're starting off in kind of like my parts slash embroidery room for my dad. He does embroidery and we kind of keep all the parts in here, but it feels good to be back, to be filming videos. This will be kind of a bit of a short one, but it's going to be kind of important because it's my first mod to the M235i. So the M235i, I got it exactly like 2 months ago today. I was able to get the car. I'm super happy about that car. It's my daily, so it won't be crazy. It's not going to be a stance build or anything like that, but of course, you know, we got to make it, you know, unique in a way. So I picked up some VMR wheels and I picked up some Federal tires. Stay tuned to see what the wheels are, even though you'll see it in the picture. Actually, I'll just tell you right now. They're I think the model is called V705s. So V705s, they're actually like really cool 5-spoke design. So it's a super simple design, but it's going to really show off the brakes in the car, and the whole shape of the car is a pretty simple car. It's nothing too aggressive or too crazy going on in the car. It's just like a very clean classic BMW shape. So I think these are going to look perfect. I have seen another car on these on 18s, and it looked really good. I went with the 19 by 8.5 ET35 all around. My car is an X-Drive because there is like snow and stuff that happens right here, so I opted for the X-Drive since it's going to be my daily driver. But I think these are going to look really good, and I think these are going to be perfect. 19 is going to step it up, the size a little bigger than the stock ones. But let me not keep rambling on. Right now I'm going to try to fit 4 wheels and tire in the M235i, so let's see how that goes. I'm going to unpackage one of these for you, kind of show you what you can expect with the VMRs. Their packaging's overall pretty good. I'll show you. Let me put these scissors down before I cut myself. Here is, it's pretty much just like a classic wheel thing, and then plastic, then this like, I don't know what that's called, but a little border so they don't get damaged during shipping, and they are the wheels. So super clean design. I know the center caps are somewhere in these boxes, so I'm gonna get those out, get all the 4 wheels out of the boxes. I think that's gonna help me fit them all in there, but yeah, let's do it. So this is kind of showing off that 5-spoke design that I was talking about. I put the center cap just so you guys can kind of see the design. But very nice, just a simple 5-spoke design. Cool thing about it is since they're 19s, it's a lot like it's a bigger wheel than the stock 18, so you're gonna be able to see the nice Brembo brakes that this car brings, and it's a nice color. It's gonna be a simple look. I got my little cat out of here. Oh my god! But yeah, it's gonna be a nice simple look. I think it's gonna look great. And here are the tires I went with. So Federals, they are the recommended size that VMR told me, which was 225, 35/19, I believe, and it's a very meaty setup. Oh, that was a cat. But it's a very meaty setup, and I think it's gonna look great. They are pretty small since it is a 225 still, but the wheels are only 8.5s. And good thing about running the same size all around is I'm going to be able to rotate them. And again, it's an X-Drive, so I'm really not going to have any like kind of, you know, losing traction issues at all. So should be good, and let's pack them up. So it is possible to fit 4 19-inch wheels and tires in the car, man. And if they were a little wider, it really would not fit the trunk space. Like, it's pretty roomy, I don't get it, but when it comes to like, I think it's like width-wise, I don't know, but it was just a mess. 2 tires really don't fit, 2 wheels do fit. Thankfully, these wheels have like the protective outer cover, so they are on each other, but they're not hitting each other or damaging each other. So I was able to fit both of those there, which is good. And then, don't mind this flapping around. It's an M thing, but these bolts are the wrong ones. It's the one the dealerships gave me, but anyways, come to the inside. Thankfully, the wheels came with these like protective bags for the wheels, which I took them out, and I was able to fit one wheel this way and the other wheel that way, which is fine. They still got plenty of room to move and everything like that. And again, the protective outer covers here, so on the travel tomorrow, I'll be very careful, and I'm not going too far, but it shouldn't really affect anything or damage anything. And thankfully, I did have those bags, so I was able to put all the tires in the bags because nice new red interior, and that doesn't really match. So yes, I put all the tires in the bags, so it won't like stain or anything my seats, and my seat is comfortably positioned and everything, so should be good. They do fit. It is a tight fit, and it took me a while to figure it out, but here she is. Here's the stock wheels, and I think it's gonna look much better. Got the M3 here too, all fitted up. But yeah, can't wait for tomorrow to see how this thing's gonna look. I think it's gonna look pretty mean, but yeah, they do fit. Guys, that is my dad's 535. He has black grills, intake, exhaust, and he got like the M5 style wheels, and not much else. We wrapped the diffuser black and we put the spoiler on, so not much stuff. It's a cool car though, sounds cool, and it does still have the M55, and there's the M3 looking all good. But yeah, let's get going. I'm gonna head to work now, to the dealership, and we should be good. Really cool features that I like about this car is right here there's a little button, and if you see right there, the steering wheel is heated, and also seats are heated. Auto climate control, like auto wipers, like all little details that are kind of stupid, but honestly in the daily it just makes it like so nice. Everything, I got navigation and the Bluetooth and everything like that. It just makes it a really nice daily. That's kind of why I bought it, and I love this thing. The tire shop. This tire shop is actually pretty much like these Hispanics. We work a lot with them in our dealership. They do like really good pricing, and they're super good. They don't scratch your wheels or anything like that. So I'm gonna drop them off here, and they'll be able to do it for me.